Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can blur the background of a video on CapCut PC. So you are going to select a video. Let me just delete these real quick. So I'll just take a video from stock videos to show you guys. Select your video. And I'm just going to change the ratio real quick. Copy and paste your video. And then on the second video, go to remove background and select auto removal. And on the first video, go to effects and go to the blur one. You can either type it in or get it from Lens, but you're going to place it inside of just this video. Wait, no, on this video, sorry. And here you can adjust how blurry you want the background to be, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!